Last June 2022, yumahe kami ng maaga para sa Pride Run 2024. Mga 2 AM pa lang umalis na kami sa amin kasi maaga yung call time ng isa kong kasama. 4 o'clock yung call time ng mga 10K runners, which is yung pinsan ko, and then 4:30 mag-start na silang mag-run. Maaga kami dumating dun sa Pride Run venue, which is sa MOA sa May Pasay. So we had time pa para pumunta ng locker or mag-iwan ng mga bag namin para wala kaming bit-bit kapag magra-run na kami. And then part pala ng program is warm up. So meron na silang free warm up by Anytime Fitness. So sumabay na rin kami kahit pa mamaya pa kaming 5 o'clock yung call time start ng mga 5K runners. So sumabay na kami dito para at least maaga-agang warm up, and more warm up, mas less din yung strain sa paa namin. Ito pala yung look ko. So, bumili lang ako ng ribbon and then a hair extension sa TikTok shop para at least cutie-cutie. Yung iba talaga naka-costume and nag-effort. Pero ako, yun lang para hindi na ako mahirapang tumakbo. And ayan na, pa-start na. And as I have said earlier, 4:30 magsa-start yung sa 10K. So, ayan, tatakbo na sila. And then kami, meron pa kaming 30 minutes before mag-start yung sa mga 5K since 5 o'clock yung aming start time or gun time. So, we had a spare time para makapag-ikot-ikot sa venue kasi marami silang freebies, maraming sponsor. So, ang una kong natikman ay itong free sample nitong whale something. May mga electrolytes or something na drinks para may energy kami. And hindi ko na na-videohan pero meron ding mogu-mogu and other free samples. Yung iba items like Maybelline makeup, yung iba naman free items lang, hindi napapatikim and things like that. So, ayun lang. After namin mag-ikot ng saglit, pumila na rin kami para dun sa gun time namin na 5 o'clock. Before our run, meron na rin ditong warm up pero hindi kami nakasabay kasi masyado kaming malayo and hindi namin rinig and hindi kita. So buti na lang naka-warm up na rin kami kanina and by 5 o'clock, saktong nag-start na talaga. So ayun, run na tayo! This Pride Run 2024 pala is sponsored by Run Rio. It is a running event created to celebrate and recognize the LGBTQIA+ community and their fight for equality, tolerance, and acceptance. And hindi naman talaga ako fast runner or yung marathoner or something. I mainly joined this Pride Run as a support kasi I'm an ally or an ally. And sabi nga nung isang kaibigan nung pinsan ko na what the Pride Run needs is the registration for funding and the attention for awareness. So doon pa lang we have already done our part. So di mo kailangan maging mabilis or maging makipagpaunahan sa Pride Run. Masaya na, okay na yung mapakita mo yung support through registration or through running in this Pride Run or kahit pa i-walk mo lang tong Pride Run na to. While I'm running pala, isa to sa mga nakita ko na maganda yung costume. Bukod sa SOGI Equality Bill or sa equality, yung ipinaglalaban niya rin is All Eyes on Rafah or yung ceasefire sa nangyayaring genocide ngayon sa Palestine. Knowing current world issues is not just about being well-informed. It's about being an engaged citizen, a critical thinker, and an active participant in shaping the world for the better. And we don't want to see children, women, and other human beings dying just because they are in their own land, right? And going back to the main cause or purpose of this run or why I joined this run is because I am pro or I want the SOGI bill, the equality bill to be passed now. Because the sexual orientation and gender identity and expression equality or SOGI bill in the Philippines is perceived to be helpful by the LGBTQ community members. But did you know that the bill aims to eliminate discrimination and provide equal rights for individuals regardless of their sexual orientation or gender identity? Kumbaga itong equality bill or SOGI equality bill ay hindi lang naman para sa part ng LGBTQIA+ community, kundi para sa ating lahat. And sino bang ayaw ng equality, 'di ba? So that's why I'm really pro, or I want this bill to be passed, and hindi ko alam kung bakit ayaw ng ibang tao, kasi wala namang masama kung humingi ka ng equality, 'di ba? So, and dito pala sa part ng video na to, or sa mga previous videos pa, kung may napansin kayong parang crack or gray dyan sa camera, is because nalaglag ko yung camera 360 ko and nagkaroon siya ng scratch, and ayan na yung itsura niya sa video. But may other angles naman na wala yung dumi na yun, and hopefully mapaayos ko siya para mas may maayos akong mga shots. Pero ayan, malapit na akong makatapos ng 5K run, less than 1 kilometer na to, kaya tinatakbo ko na talaga. And ayun, overall it's a fun experience. Kahit hindi ako yung super runner talaga, tinapos ko siya as a sign of support na rin, and I'm happy. This is an achievement for me, and hopefully makasama pa ako sa ibang run next time. And ayun na, naka-cross na ako ng finish line, and I know this is not a good face, but at least less than an hour. And ayan, may medal na sinabit sa amin, and super cute nung medal. And ayun, again, this is an achievement, and I'm very happy I was able to do this run with the people that I love and the people that I support, like my cousin. And ang kasama ko pala dito mainly ay yung ate ko din. We are both supporters of the LGBTQIA+ community. And ayan, gusto ko lang ipakita, run with love, run with pride, yung nakalagay dun sa medal, and super cute. It has flowers na yung petals ay yung rainbow and such. And ayun, that's my attempt on flying, like yung edit na lumilipad, but no, it somehow failed. But yeah, and the other rest of the video, mostly yung pag-iinarte ko na lang. And ayun,
this is me and my wings and my ribbon, and then this is my medal. Look at my wings and my braso. This is my sister with our ribbon.
I love Beanie, so that's me dancing there, salamin-salamin. Pero sana dun sa fun run, nag-play naman sila ng ibang music, kasi grabe, parang paulit-ulit na Pantropiko, salamin-salamin, like ang dami namang ibang kanta. Pwedeng once a day lang siya i-play or twice, ganun. Pero yun talagang parang paulit-ulit, wala silang ibang naisip na kanta. So yun lang yung cons ko or mga napansin kong fault doon. And ayun lang naman, rant ko lang. And ito, in-slow mo ko lang kasi ang ganda nung medal nga. And sa likod, meron pala siyang Pride Run 2024. And naiikot siya, just like it's so pretty. Meron din pala akong biniling pakpak sa Shopee kasi nga gusto ko parang may arte-arte ako. Pero sinuot ko na lang yan after nung run kasi nga mahirap na suot mo yan habang tumatakbo ka. And ayun, thank you kay Ate Step sa pag-support, sa paggalaw ng pakpak ko, and just supporting me in general in all ways and in any time possible. And ayun, sinuot ko na lang tong pakpak sa dulo for the pictures, for the effects like this, kasi hindi ko nga siya masusuot kasi medyo masikip yung track ng 5K run, and baka mabangga ko yung mga tao sa pakpak ko. Hindi naman ako fast runner, ganon. Salamat nga pala sa pinsan ko na si Maan and yung girlfriend niyang si Alex sa pag-aya sa amin dito sa Pride Run. And kahit hindi kami mabilis tumakbo, know that we will always run beside you. We love you all so much, and I am so proud of you both. And ayun lang, thanks for watching my vlog. See you next time.